All right, now that we have our cooked shrimp with no tails in our pie crust, I am adding about 1/4 of a white onion that I diced up right on top of that shrimp. Next, I'm gonna add 1/3 of a red bell pepper that I diced right on top of that shrimp. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna place our pie crust to the side and bring in my measuring cup. I'm gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into our measuring cup. This is gonna be such a delicious and super easy seafood dinner. So with our heavy whipping cream, I'm gonna add 3 eggs into our measuring cup. Now I am obviously doing shrimp for this recipe, but you could also do crab or lobster or whatever seafood you like. Now with our heavy cream and eggs, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. You can add to your taste, you can add fresh, that look like about a tablespoon. Now we're gonna season this up. I have some Old Bay seasoning, and all of your seasonings you're gonna wanna add to your liking. I like a lot of Old Bay, especially with my shrimp. So I think that should be plenty. And then we're gonna add our classics. We have some pepper. Black pepper is always a yes for me in my dinners. Now, of course, we have to add a little bit of salt because there is no sodium in in the veggies or the shrimp. So this will really tie together all of the seafood flavors. And last thing we're gonna add to this mixture is a little bit of lemon juice. You could obviously squeeze your own, but I already had this in my fridge, so I said, why not? And we're just gonna add a couple drops of that lemon juice in there, and then it's time to whisk this up. Now I am whisking this all in my measuring cup because then we can use a spout to just pour that right on top of our shrimp. Okay, and look how quick that is. So fast, so easy, and you know it, so delicious. Let's bring back our pie crust with our shrimp, our onion, and our red bell peppers, and let's pour our egg and cream mixture right on top. Oh my, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. And look, that was the perfect amount of liquid. Now, there's only one thing missing from this, and call me crazy, cheddar cheese. And we're gonna do a sprinkle of cheddar cheese on top of this entire pie. I know cheddar cheese with shrimp sounds a little bit crazy. You guys have to try this. It's so good. It's gonna blow your mind. And we're almost done. We're almost ready to put this in the oven, and that only took like 2 minutes to throw together. That's how quick and easy it is. Now I did buy the pre-cooked shrimp, but you could also cook up your own and make it extra fresh and extra delicious. Now I lied, I am gonna add one more thing, but this doesn't count because it's a garnish. I'm gonna add some chopped parsley. I like when my parsley kind of melds in with the cheese, so that's why I'm adding it now. Beautiful. All right, and my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna go in there for about 40 minutes. Oh my, this smells absolutely incredible, you guys. Our Florida shrimp pie is ready to dig in. Let's go right down. Make sure you cut the crust. Oh wow. Ooh. That looks incredible. It fell apart. That's my bad. I should have let it cool for longer, but this is gonna be so good.
Smells delicious.
Got the shrimp right there.